Are you tired of electric bills? Our goal at Go Blue Sky is to build a generator that gives you an infinite supply of renewable electricity.
You'll make your own electricity with a nearly silent, fuel-free and pollution-free power. The portable generator can sit in the garage or in a closet or outside near your electric meter or electric panel. Any electrician can install it and connect it to your house.
The electricity will be free of cost and you're not dependent on the power grid. During storms, hurricanes, floods, or other natural disasters, you will have uninterrupted electricity.
If you're saying to yourself, really? How is that possible? Let me explain. Actually, the technology has been around for a long time. Utility companies make billions of dollars selling you electricity.
It's all about making their part in a $400 quadrillion per year industry worldwide. That's 4,000 trillion.
So, do your part now to make it a pollution-free place for our children and grandchildren to inherit.